I think so. It's not an easy position to be in. The U.S. economy is stronger than the rest of the world, but because of accommodative policy around the world, central banks with negative rates, he's trying to balance the strength of the U.S. relative to the rest of the world, and I think he's pivoted. They took rates up, the markets reacted, economy slowed a bit, they took them back down. I think he's done a pretty good job overall.
What difference is coronavirus going to make, do you think, to everybody's expectation of how the year will play out?
Well, I think we started the year on a more positive note. You felt with USMCA, the trade deal in the U.S., the election here, the China-U.S. trade tensions coming down, you felt like this could be a very good year. And now this has obviously put a little bit of a damper on things. I would say, from our standpoint, first off, huge sympathy to the folks in China, what they're enduring. We made an announcement yesterday to give $1 million to the Chinese in the relief efforts. If hopefully this is transitory in nature and the economic impact, which is significant now, starts to fade over time, I think the impact will certainly be meaningful to the Chinese economy. It'll be impactful to overall Asia and the global economy. Hopefully, though, things will revert to normal. I'd say the biggest impact would be in commodity prices. We've seen energy prices come down now 20%. And then interest rates. You've seen rates come down because people are nervous about growth. So I think it slows things. I don't think ultimately, if the virus is contained, that it leads to a sharp decline in economic activity.
I mean, so you would rule out the prospect of a 1 or 2 percentage point hit to Chinese growth this year, tipping some developed economies into recession?
Well, I wouldn't rule out a sharp hit to Chinese growth, but I think the global economy going into recession, that I probably would not think is going to happen, but that is obviously premised on the virus sort of being contained. If it spread and it led to a sharp slowdown in travel activity and business activity in Europe and the US, then it would be different. I'm assuming that this will crest at some point fairly soon.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.